Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my course titled Provisioning and Managing Networks Using Common Automation Tools. Leveraging your existing network skills, we'll stand up new branch sites to help a growing retail business expand their network. As the network grows, so too does the need for intelligent network provisioning, automation, and monitoring. We'll cover 5 main topics in this course: Day Zero provisioning techniques and how to select the most appropriate one, basic CLI-based network automation using Netmiko, introducing concurrency and simplified config management with Ansible, model-driven programmability using Python with netconf and Yang, and streaming telemetry using gRPC and the TIG stack. After completing this course, you'll know how to design, operate, and maintain network automation solutions in production environments. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite courses. These 3 courses provide the foundation of software development and programmability skills that are extended in this course. The content around Git version control, Docker containers, and netconf Yang will be especially helpful. I'm assuming you already have a strong background in Python programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about provisioning and managing networks using common automation tools at Pluralsight.